Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tutan, and this week has been crazy cold. So the best thing for crazy cold is bún bò Huế, Vietnamese spicy beef noodle soup. It's gonna be super delicious, rich in flavor. I'm gonna show you everything step by step, and I'm making it from scratch. And then I'm gonna show you my secret ingredient. But you have to watch the whole thing to find out what the secret ingredient is. And if you like it, make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, ring that bell for notification, all right? Thank you, and let's get to cooking. Let's go. Three gallons of water. High heat, bring to a boil. 5 pounds of beef bones. 3 pounds of pig feet. 5 pounds of beef shank. 1 pound of beef tendon. Bring to a boil and cook for 10 minutes. Pour everything out and clean all the impurities. Fill water to cover up all the meat and bones. Beef cheeks, my secret ingredient, gives it a burst of richness. Put on high heat, bring to a boil. 2 peeled onion cut in halves. 1 whole ginger cut in half. 4 stalks of lemongrass and tied together. 1 whole pineapple, cleaned and cut in 8 pieces. Bring to a boil and skim the scum off the top. 2 cups of chicken bouillon. 6 ounces of rock sugar. 1 tablespoon of salt. 9 tablespoons of fish sauce. 6 tablespoons of shrimp paste. Cook for 2 hours at medium heat. Remove the pig feet and beef shank to a cold bath water to keep it from drying. Add 1 gallon of water. After 4 hours, remove the beef tendons or when it's tender. The aromatic and the color, this is for the satay. 1 cup of cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of Annatto Seeds. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Drain oil to a larger saucepan to remove the Annatto Seeds. 1 cup of chopped garlic. 1 cup of chopped shallots. 1½ cup of chopped lemongrass. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. 1½ tablespoon of smoke paprika. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Stir and cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Pour all the sauce into the soup. Add 3 stalks of lemongrass. Cook for 4 hours and let it simmer. Skim off the fat. For the pork blood, boil half a gallon of water in a small pot. Put on medium-high heat. Simmer the pork blood for 2 hours. Drain out the hot water. Rinse with cold water. Add some ice and water. Set it aside until ready to cut. For extra large noodle, boil 3/4 gallons of water in a medium pot. High heat, bring to a boil. Add 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Cook until noodle is soft and then drain out the hot water. Rinse with cold water.